Vanakkam! Today we make Chatpata Chicken Curry. This gravy makes every meal special. Wash 200 grams of chicken very well. Soak in turmeric water for 30 minutes. This keeps the chicken fresh and clean. Now chop 4 small onions. Get the 13 green chillies for village heat. Add ginger and 6 garlic pods. Put these into the mixie jar now. Grind it coarse. Don't make it smooth. This texture gives a beautiful taste. Place your pressure cooker on the stove. Add 2 spoons of peanut oil. Let the oil get hot. Listen to it. Add star anise, cinnamon and cardamom. Add cloves, bay leaves and cardamoms. Add shagira, kalpasi and javitri. The aroma will fill the whole house. Add the onion and chili paste now. Fry until the raw smell is gone. Wait until it turns golden brown. Add fresh curry leaves. Hear that pop. Add salt and turmeric powder now. Now, add the chicken and let it cook until it turns golden. Fry until the chicken releases water. The chicken is sealing in the juices. Add 1 spoon of red chilli powder. Add 1 spoon of garam masala. Add curry powder and coriander. Mix until every piece is coated. Look at this color, real magic. Pour water just to soak the chicken. Give it one final stir now. Close the lid and put the weight on. Cook for 3 whistles on medium. Let the pressure settle naturally. Pressure is gone. Let's open it. Look, it is perfectly tender. Now for the final flavor layers. Add pepper powder for a sharp kick. Add dried mint for freshness. Crush kasuri methi in your hands. This makes the aroma super. Add fresh coriander for color. Add coconut powder to thicken it. Let it boil for a few minutes. The gravy will become rich and glossy. See the oil? It is ready now. Switch off the stove and cover it. Let it rest to absorb the flavors. It looks delicious, dear ones. I can't wait to serve my family. Serve it hot with white rice. It is perfect for soft chapati too. Try it with idly or dosa as well. Try this at home, dear ones. They will ask for more tonight. Please like, share and subscribe. More village recipes coming soon. Happy cooking to all of you.